Oh boy, I can't wait to go eat me some spaghetti. Oh, there is the fridge. I'm gonna go get me something from there. Oh, brother, my ass is stuck in the fridge. What do I do? Oh no, I know, I'm gonna call somebody. Oh, who's calling me this time? Hello? Miku, help me! My ass is not in the fridge! What? Miku, I got my ass stuck in my fridge and I need help! You're... Okay, I'm not even gonna question it. I'm coming there to bring help. Please, quickly, I'm in excruciating pain! Okay, jeez. Oh man, I should hope help come soon. I am in excruciating pain! Alright, Mario, I brought help. What is up? I do not want to be here. God damn it, more Vocaloids. Anyways, get my ass out of here. Okay, well, do you guys have any ideas? How about you just open the goddamn door? I'm doomed. Alright, now that Mario isn't doing anything interesting and I'm just copying Mario gets his penis stuck in the door, I'm going to blow the entire video up.